how to download Instagram videos for free. How to download Instagram videos for free. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos for free. Yes, you don't need to pay anything or to pay anybody. It's for free. So if you don't know how to download Instagram videos, I'm going to show you in this video, so stick to the end. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and comment, share to more than 5. Let's go guys.
So guys, you click on your Instagram, you pick the particular video you want to download, you like the video, you click on the share arrow. Once you tap on the share arrow, you see copy link, click on copy link. Then minimize. Go to your Chrome or your Google browser. Then you type Instagram downloader. It's going to open like this. Then you paste the link on this box. Then you click download. Click download. Click on download video. It's going to open like this. Click on open file downloaded. Now this is the video you have automatically downloaded to your phone without Instagram logo.
So you have seen the video. I hope you like it, and I hope if you find this video very helpful, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.